Good morning guys and welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. Today is Sunday, so I might actually get to vlog a little bit. This room is so messy right now. I need to organise laundry. Obviously we did all the ironing last night, so there's just like laundry everywhere. I'm just having coffee. It's the same coffee that Paddy's dad gave me. It's actually really nice. I'm actually really liking it. I'll just curl my hair first and then I'll come back to you guys because I want to listen to a podcast. It's taken me so long this morning just to get myself organised and ready for the day. I have so much lint all over my top. That's the one thing I hate about black clothes, like everything like sticks to it. So I need to find a lint roller and I think I need a setting spray. What is going on here? And I'm still drinking my coffee, which is stone cold probably at this minute. The funny thing is, you think like with shorter hair it would take less time to kind of style and stuff. I find that it just takes the same length of time. It's just as much maintenance, and I thought it'd be way less maintenance than the extensions. The only thing is like washing and drying it is going to be way less maintenance, but curling it and trying to style it is, yeah, it's still high maintenance. I'm just liking the lighter weight. Change my earrings today. I'm going to put these little crosses in. I've had these earrings in quite a while. I was wearing gold there for a while and now I'm switching it back up to silver. I changed my mind like the wind. And I'm going to put a little bit of hairspray in this to try and hold it. Oh. Okay, so we're done, we're ready, we're finished. Let's go enjoy the day. Probably a bit of a surprise from the last scene when I actually had makeup on and looked a little bit more presentable. Just after getting up, I am doing a little bit of work. I think we're gonna order some McDonald's for lunch. I'm starving already and I'm really excited for McDonald's. I don't know why, I've just been craving it for like, I don't know, I've just been craving it for days and I was like, just order it for lunch. I haven't had McDonald's takeaway in quite a while. You know, it's still a little bit under the weather. Like, he's not bad. You know yourself when you're not feeling well, you're like real lethargic and stuff. So I'll see how he is. He's gonna have a nap in the next little while, and then when he wakes up we'll see how we're going. We're going to this light show tonight in the zoo. He's in really good form. He's just so congested and nasally, and yeah, I don't know what else to do. There's so many of us going tonight, and like he's going to be in a buggy wrapped up with like blankets and everything over him, and his hood and his scarf and hat and everything. But I'm just, you know, the concern. Like, he's not too sick that I can't bring him out. The worst is definitely behind him. I'm not mad busy today, so hopefully it kind of like stays that way. I think everybody's kind of getting into the Christmas mode in my workplace. Like, as you guys know, I'm having my Christmas party on Friday, so I think like everyone's kind of feeling just really like pumped for like Christmas, and it's the last weekend before Christmas and stuff. So I can't believe how quickly December has gone by. Like, it's nuts how quick it's gone by. Have you guys started your Christmas shopping? I am halfway done, I would say, with 10 days to go, which is not too bad. I could like literally sit down and like order everything I need to order. I have a few bits to get for my dad, and for Paddy's dad we still have to get a present. And then my mum, I'm so confused as to what to get my mum for Christmas this year. My sister's pretty much done. We have Paddy's twin and his partner done. Like we know what we're getting them. I just have to pick up something last minute. I can't pick it up before Christmas because it will spoil. That's kind of like spoiling what it is. Like, is it a food substance? Perhaps. And then for his brother Michael, we have his present ordered. And then I ordered a present from Noah to my sister Ollie's partner Kieran. So I'm excited, like, that Christmas is in our new house and everything. I just have so much to do before Christmas. Like, we need to do like a big shop next week. Obviously groceries, get everything in and ready to go. I'm just so excited for Christmas. Yeah, movie we haven't seen in ages we're watching. Noah wanted it on. It's lunchtime, everybody.
You record that this one, that's lunchtime.
Well, it is lunchtime. It's treat time. It's December. We can eat treats in December. Oh, it's so cold and the windscreen is frozen. We're heading off to the lights. Wild lights. Okay. Freezing. Yeah, we're going to the zoo right now to see the lights. Poor Noah has about 15 different like layers on him. He has a hot water bottle. He had a nap with me just before, well, not with me, like I lay down with him. He went for a nap just around like between like 3 and 4, and he woke up really like in really good form. So we're hoping that, you know, he'll be okay going around, but he's so wrapped up, and we have a hot water bottle and everything for him just to keep him extra warm. I don't know why this keeps going blurry. I don't know. It might be the fact that this screen is cracked or something.
Oh, no,
I don't know. Yeah, no, I'll let it fall. That's what happens when you have a baby. Yeah, so sorry if it's really out of focus, but it won't be out of focus when we're at the lights. I cannot wait. I'm so excited. Noah, are you excited? I think that's in focus just a little bit better. Yeah, so we're gonna have dinner then when we come back. I think chicken curry, and what else are we doing then? That's it for the whole evening, but it's gonna be exciting. I can't wait. I'm wearing like a big jumper, like a massive jumper I got in H&M. I got this actually to wear on Christmas Day with like tights and boots, but I have like leather pants on underneath it, a long sleeve top, and I am still cold. So I hope that when we actually get to the park, to the zoo, that we're gonna be like not too cold.
I know.
I can't wait to see what Noah thinks of the lights. Like, he's already excited about like people's lights on their houses. So what is he going to be like when he sees these lights? I just think that they're going to be magical. And there's so many of us going. There's like 13 of us going. My mom and dad are at Fairview now, so hopefully they'll be here in time. We're just yeah, we're not too far from the park, so we're grand. Yeah, they're coming from Clontarf. They had to pick up my sister. She lives in Clontarf, so that's why they're coming that way. So we're just gonna meet them all there. I hope they get here in time because the traffic's really bad and it's very foggy out. But yeah, I'm excited for the lights.
I don't know what else we can do.
Yeah, you're very wrapped up, baby. Yeah, you are. We're just walking down now. It's so jammers. Like, I knew it'd be really packed because it's like sold out every single night. It is very cold, and I forgot gloves like an absolute idiot, and I had them in a bag, been like, oh, I'll bring them, and I never did. Did you bring yours?
Nope.
No.
But Noah did.
Well, Noah has everything. Noah has a hat and scarf. He's just really prepared for this weather. We are not. Look how foggy it is.
It's cool, isn't it?
Look, it's so crazy foggy. You can't see anything. Like, look how foggy it is. I wonder if the reindeer's out today.
Go on,
Do you want to see the lights? Go on with Daddy.
Yeah?
Oh, look at the lights. Oh, he's running to see the lights. Oh, they're so pretty.
Got the lights, Noah? You're getting heavier now. Yeah.
Here, if you want.
Yeah, look at them.
Wow.
Look at the fox. This is the background. Yeah. Oh, it's so pretty. I really like it. That was such a nice trip to the zoo. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with the zoo lights. I really recommend going if any of you guys haven't been. If you do want to go next year. If you can't go this year, like, oh my god, it was so lovely. I've never been before, like I said. I had no idea what to expect, but it really blew me away. I thought it was absolutely lovely, and I just felt like it was really magical. Just nice to have something to do like that at Christmas time, and it was just nice to go with all my family. Like, and just after getting into bed, I'm waiting on Paddy. He's brushing his teeth to watch a Vlogmas video. We watch Pink Sparkles Vlogmases together. I don't know if he likes them or not, but I just watch them every single year. He asked me, did that Canadian girl upload any more videos? And I'm like, hey, it's Vlogmas, like she uploads every day. I love her content. I just think she's really funny and just lighthearted. I'm gonna turn in for the night. I hope you guys enjoyed my Vlogmas. I think we're on episode, I want to say 4. I sound like I'm talking about Star Wars. Yeah, we're on episode 4. Have a lovely day, night, evening, wherever you are in the world, and I'll talk to you guys in the next Vlogmas video. Mwah. Night, guys.